Hey guys, Mower Mayhem here again. I'm going to show you all of the wiring now. I got it all wired it up and ready to go. All it needs is a motor. So here we go. Our power light working. Ignition, it's on. Got fuel pump. You can hear that. We got hazards. That one's broke. I'm gonna have to get me a new one of them. So yeah, the tail lights had to work, but the turn signal side won't. We got me some flashers up front. Yep, there's that. There's that. The hazards with the railroad ones. Whatever. The back with the railroad. We got tail lights, gauge light, and park lights. Got our headlights too. They're down there. Park lights. Hazards in them. That. Yep, that's pretty much all of it. Oh yeah. Starter showing up. Yep. Yeah, that's the way I got the hood mounted to keep it from moving. I just got wing nuts with bolts sticking out of the top of it. So yeah. Gotta push the thermal back just a hair for it to work like that. It'll come open. Yeah. Your starter wire, kill wire, it goes to the coil. Yeah, that's pretty much it on it. Got pretty much all the wiring tidied up the best that I could. It's out of the way of the steering. So yeah, that's pretty much it on that. So yeah, back behind there, there's a relay there, and there's a relay there. The relay under the switch panel is for the switch wigwag, whatever you want to call it, goddamn lights, and that one there is for the ignition to kill the motor. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this day. I gotta still figure out some way of mounting a throttle. I don't know if I'm just gonna put a hand throttle on it or foot pedal like everything else. And I still gotta get the magneto pigtail wired up. I gotta get this wired, and I gotta get my temperature gauge mounted and wired up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Comment, subscribe, peace.